the review of Realme Buds 2 Neo, and this is Umar from Realtek English. Let's get started. So let's start with the unboxing. At the behind you have the key specifications. So you have 11.2 driver, so that's good, and it has 17 hours of playback, magnetic instant connection, 88 millisecond low latency mode, 10 minutes of charge for 120 minutes of playback, and IPX4 water resistant. So I will talk about these later in the video, so stick till the end. And also I ordered the green color because someone suggested me this color, and please don't ask who. Earphone on the top, contents in the back, user guide which you won't need, yellow color type C cable which also looks pretty cool, and ear tips of small, medium and large size, and the medium ones came pre-installed. So that's it for the content. Let's keep the box aside. So let's talk about the design and the build quality. First thing is that it is flexible and can be easily stored in pockets and bags, and it also has this texture. It has 3 buttons on the right and a type C port, one for play pause on the middle, one on the top for increasing volume, one on the bottom for decreasing volume, and it has branding of Realme in the left. And talking about the earbuds, they have this matte on the front and glossy on the back finish, and this feels very premium. And it also has 4 mics, two on the right and two on the left. And talking about the cable quality, it is average in terms of what it offers in other areas. Talking about the key specifications, the brand claims 17 hours of playback time, and it can easily last for 5 to 8 days depending on the usage, and it lasted me for 7 days in heavy usage. It also has IPX4 water splash resistance, so you can use this during workout and while raining. So let's check the button functionality. You can also customize the button functionality through the Realme Link app if you want to. Now let's test the 88 millisecond low latency mode. If the only thing you need to do is casual gaming, then it's more than enough.
So this is the mic test of the Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo, and you can comment on how the sound sounds like and subscribe.
Before talking about the main thing, sound quality, I'll just play some music so that you can get an idea on how good it is. It has really good bass as it has 11.2 drivers and treble, plus the instrument separation is good, but loudness is the only thing that can be a bit better in the price segment, but it's still good enough. And talking about the price, I got it for 12.99 rupees, and generally price fluctuate between 1300 and 1500. And I can safely say this is one of the best, if not the best neckband under 1500. And that is it for the video, and as always, if you enjoyed, please. We do not care.